What's going on, guys? It's your boy Siobhan here, back with a new video, and today we have the Apple case spring lineup, guys. So this is for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, but this runs all across the iPhone 12 mini, the 12 Pro Max. So yeah, every year Apple tried to bring new color of cases, especially for the spring, the summertime, and today we have all 5. Now this video was supposed to drop yesterday, but one was missing, and it was this one. This one didn't come in, and this is the Cantaloupe case. It's like a pastel colorway, so yeah, right for the spring. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I've seen some weird Apple case color names, but this year I think Apple really went crazy with the names. Like, why don't just call this one blue? It's called Capri Blue. This one is the weird name. It's called Amethyst. That's the color. They didn't say purple. This one I think is called Pistachio, and this one Cantaloupe. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump in and unbox these cases. Alright guys, so right now I have the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro, and as you guys know, as tradition on this channel, I always unbox all these cases. So I have the black silicone case on right here. Let's put that to the side. And the first one we're gonna go with is Any Mini Miny Mo. Let catch up puppy buys to if you ever let him go any mini mine now mo. All right, so we have the Cantaloupe first, boys. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna show you one unboxing experience first, and then after that we'll speed through everything. So yeah, this is the box we get. This year we have the pull tab at the top. Let's just slide that out. Boom. Then all you have to do is just pop out the case. Super simple, right? And wow, this is a nice, it looks kind of peachish to me, but it's called Cantaloupe. It also has this paper over it to keep it safe. Apple just started to do that recently, but yeah, I love how the silicone case feels. Inside we always have that nice microfiber kind of fabric inside there. And let's put our iPhone in, and we're supposed to see the colorway because of that MagSafe technology. So let's see if we get that colorway. Put our iPhone in. And yes, you see we get that nice Cantaloupe colorway or peach colorway, which is nice to see. And all of these cases work with MagSafe and wireless charging, so you guys don't have to worry about that. But let's just take a quick look around the sides. So on this side we have kind of a darker color on the volume rockers. We have nice indents cutout for mute and toggle switch. At the bottom we have precision cutouts. It's from Apple. It's gonna be perfect for a lightning charger. I wish it had USB-C. Doesn't. Speaker grills and also microphone. On the side we have the power button cutout, and then we also have a nice cutout for a camera at the back as well. And yeah, that's basically it for the case. Now I'm just gonna breeze through all the other cases unboxing, then we look into everything in detail. Guys, so now I have all the cases out and about, and to me this blue one looks the best. What's this called? Capri Blue? I think it's called Capri Blue, and this one looks insane. This is the bluest case I've ever seen Apple done compared to this shirt jacket right here. You can see it's like a really dark blue. I like how it looks. So yeah, to me this is my favorite one. So we've seen how this one looks, the Cantaloupe. Let's go ahead and put on the Pistachio case to show you guys what it looks like. So you guys see that animation. Let's do it real quick. Boom. Nice pistachio animation. It's almost like a mintish greenish, but Apple calls it pistachio. Looking at the side, it always has a darker button, so it's a very nice click on this side. So it looks like, and you can see what it looks like outside as well, because I'll make sure to put up those shots for you guys. In terms of lip protection for the lens, you'll never have to worry about putting your phone face down because of the coverage. And for lip protection for the screen, there's very minimal lip protection. So as usual, 100% recommend you guys to grab a screen protector if you're afraid of your screen scratching. But for me personally, I don't use one. All right, now let's jump over to the purple. The blue is my favorite, so I'll keep that one for last. Animation, yes sir, there we go. Got a purple animation. And for the Pacific Blue iPhone, so far this purple one looks the best, and I can't pronounce it. It's called Amethyst or something like that. If you guys know, tell me how to pronounce it down below in the comments. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and I probably give away one of these cases. So if you guys want to win one of these cases, just comment down below which one is your favorite and why. When this video hits 300 likes, I will do a giveaway. North America only. I'm sorry, but yes, I will do a giveaway. So yeah, that's what the purple looks like. As usual, we have the darker buttons on the side. On this side, the darker buttons, it's the same thing, just a different color. And this video is just for you guys to see what it looks like. So yeah, let's open it up. This is the inside. We have that MagSafe ring around the case because this case is of course MagSafe compatible. And let's go ahead, put on my favorite one. Yes, the Capri Blue. Let's slap this case on. Boom. That nice vibrant blue animation, man. I love that. Oh yeah, this is definitely the one that goes with the Pacific Blue the most. Let's look at that, guys. The Capri Blue. But yeah, this one looks really nice, guys. Especially outside when the light's hitting it. It's a really nice case. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's take a look on the inside where the fur is, the microfiber. There we go. And if you guys are new to these cases, basically Apple had placed magnets inside so it works with MagSafe, and this is what it looks like. So this card right here can actually see magnets. So if you place it around the back of the case, you can actually see the magnet line up right here. It's kind of cool. That's the reason I bought it. I thought it would be bigger. And if we line up the iPhone, you can see the same rings around the iPhone, which makes it just snap right on. Boom, as you can see, it slaps right onto the iPhone, and that's just because of that MagSafe technology. So yeah, that's also really cool. All right, so in terms of durability for these silicone cases, I've been using the first gen, or the first one since release, which was in September, November time, and this is the black one from Apple. And as you can see, it has held up pretty good. Minor scratches, it takes up a lot of length, I must add, but it feels very nice, very grippy, and it will protect your iPhone. If it drops on concrete, of course it's gonna like peel and chip because it's silicone, right? It's not like plastic or leather. Leather will also chip as well, but in terms of durability, I would say it would hold up for over a year or two, honestly. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. Let me know down below in the comments, which one would you pick? Which one is your favorite? Is it the Pistachio? Is it the Cantaloupe? Is it the Amethyst or the Capri Blue? Please tell me I got those names right. I'm not sure, but for me, my favorite is the Capri Blue. It's so stunning. It looks nice, ready for the spring. So as I said before, if you want to enter the giveaway, just comment down below which one of these cases you'd like to win and why. And also leave your Instagram handle so I could follow you guys, and follow me on Instagram as well at @ChevonSaman_. And yeah, road to 100K, we're at 97,000. Give it up for your boy. But as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.